So here we go on the Robin Hood's Merry Ride.
Who goes there? State your business.
Don't you forget it. So, we're off to find Robin Hood, are you? Worse than the blast the sheriff sent. Better find Robin the Witch to help the poor in stealing my money.
That smells.
Clan nerds together. You next time you're messing about in the queue.
But oh my word, isn't that me, Marion? Well, it can't quite make out what story she carried on. Can you?
Oh, Marion, this instant. Put me down, I say, put me down. The countenance is supposed to have white.
So this is Sherwood Forest. Have you ever seen such enormous oak trees? Oh,
Fry it up.
Those two rascals over there stealing that royal honey. But I'm rather partial to honey myself. I'm told that if we keep quiet, we may even see some royal beer. We best hurry up. Steady. It's one of the king's men, Sir Guy of Gisborne.
Lie.
They're not disturbed. Calm down. Oh, no, sorry. I'll let it take away.
Oh, this is amazing. What a good ride.
Let's get along before we get played. This way we'll never fall Robin. That sounds like one of the last ship. Not to worry about Tom and Max. It's just Tom's little assistant. He's very busy. I think we'll have to continue on without replacing that ship. Today we found Robin's Yes, this is it. The motor road.
Oh, this is amazing.
Look at that now.
You're here, friends. Just in time for the feast. Hold your noise. King Richard's back now.
We haven't heard the last of this.
You're all honorary merry men. Now back to Nottingham you go. Promise not to tell a soul.
Hey!